Dear students, class 7th, subject is mathematics and topic is data handling. Text exercise 3.2, question number 2. The question is, total number of students of a school by different years is shown in the following table. In a particular school, the roll of the students has been shown in a tabular form, that is years 1996, number of students 400, 1998, number of students 535, 2000, the roll is 472, 2002, the roll is 600, and in 2004, the roll of the same school is 623. Now, A. Prepare a pictograph of students using one symbol to represent 100 students. Now we have to make a pictograph of the given information, but one thing should be keep in our mind, that the symbol which we use there to show the number of students, one symbol is to be used for 100 students. That means one symbol represents 100 students. Then we have to given the answer of these two questions. The one is, how many symbols represent total number of students in the year 2000? In 2000, there are 472 students. As I already told you that one symbol represents 100 students. So it means that if there are 472 students, that means 472 students will represent one another symbol. This means 5 symbols will represent 472 students when we use one symbol to represent 100 students. In part B, how many symbols represent total number of students for the year 1998? Now, in the same way, another question is that how many symbols will represent the students in 1998? In 1998, there are 535 students. Simply, if one student will represent 100 students, this means 6 students will represent 535 students. 5 completed and one symbol is there incomplete in its manner, but this means that the symbol will be used in this manner because there are 35 students which are remaining left. It means that we have to use one another symbol which represents this incomplete figure. So it means that 6 symbols we have to use over here to show 535 students. Now part B is there, that is, prepare another pictograph of students using any other symbol. Now we have to make a pictograph of the same information to represent 50 students. Now in this very time, we have to use a symbol which represents only 50 students. As it in part A, there one symbol represents 100 students, and now in part B, one symbol represents 50 students. Which pictograph do you find more informative? Now the question is, which pictograph? The pictograph first or the pictograph second? Which one you will understand or to feel is more informative? Now let us try to answer this. Dear student C, it is now the solution. One symbol represents 100 students. We have to show in its index on the right side of the copy. So in 1995, there are 400 students. We have to use 4 symbols. In 1998, 535 students. We need 6 symbols. 2000, there are 472 students. We need 5. And in 2002, we need 6 symbols. And 2004, we need 7 symbols. So in this way, this is the pictograph of the given data. And now the question is, how many symbols represent the total number of students in the year? 2002 में कितने symbols हैं? 6. 2002 में 6 symbols हैं which represents the given information. Now part B. 5 complete and 1 incomplete. Part B is how many symbols represent the total number of students for the year. 1998 में कितने हैं? 5 complete symbols हैं and 1 is incomplete, which includes this, that means 6 symbols. There are 5 complete symbols, that means 500, and there is now one more thing, that is 1998, 35 students. This is incomplete there, and we have to show here one another symbol, that means 6. Now to draw one another pictograph, over here we need one symbol. We have to show one symbol is equal to 50 students. So in this way, 1995, 98, 2000, 2002, 2004. If there are 400 students, we have to show 8 symbols. 535, 11 symbols. 472, 10. 6, 12 symbols. 623, 13 symbols. Now the question is, which pictograph first or pictograph show second is more informative? I think according to clear cut information, which is possible in second pictograph, so that means the pictograph second is more informative than pictograph first. So in this way, we have to complete this very text exercise, and inshallah tomorrow we will go through text exercise 3.3. It is enough for today. Thanks.